learn how to play song number 55, the Carnival of Venice, on the horn. On this page, remember, we're learning about pickup notes. If you look at the very beginning of the song, it says in the time signature that the song is in 3/4, which means we're counting to 3 in every square, every measure of the song. Now, if you look at the very first measure, there's only one beat in that measure, which means that that is the pickup note into the first full measure, the next measure, which has 3 beats in it. If you look at the very end of the song, the last measure only has 2 beats in it, which means we borrowed 1 beat from the very end of the song and we put it in the beginning of the song. And that's how we can have an extra beat in the song, is that we borrow it from the end and we move it to the beginning, and that becomes the pickup into the song. We're also working with internal repeats and alternate endings in this song. So you're going to play all the way through the song. You're going to play box number 1. When you're done box number 1, you go back to the beginning. But there's a repeat sign at the beginning. So you do not go back to the pickup note, the very first note. You go back to the second note, the beginning of the first full measure. You play through it. You skip over box number 1 and you play box number 2 for the second time you play the song. I'll walk you through the notes. We're going to play all of the high notes in this song. So here we go. So here's your first notes. We have C, D, rest, C, B flat, rest, A, B flat, G for 3 counts. The G is tied over, 2 plus 1, so it's 3 counts. So we're going to go A, B flat, G for 3 counts. G, A, B flat, rest, C, D, rest, C. Now we're at box number 1, and this is an A, a dotted half note, 3 counts, tied to a 1 count A. So it's going to be a total of 4 counts long. So we're going to play C, A for 4 counts. Rest. C, now we have the repeat sign, so we're going to go back to the beginning, but remember, we're not going back to the pickup note. We're only going back to the repeat sign, which is the second note of the song. It's the first full measure of the song, and we're going to play C, the second measure of the song back in the beginning, D. Here we go. Rest, C, B flat, rest, A, B flat, G for 3 counts. G, A, B flat, rest, C, D, rest, C, second ending, you have an F for 4 counts, 3 dotted half note, 3 counts, plus 1 quarter note, so it's 4. Rest. Great, we're going to play through that whole song one more time, starting from the very beginning. We have C, D, rest, C, B flat, rest, A, B flat, G for 3 counts. G, A, B flat, rest, C, D, rest, C, A for 4 counts, and that's the first ending. Rest. Now we're going C, back to the beginning of the song, the second note. Really quick, I didn't explain this before. If you notice, that last note is actually the same as the pickup to the beginning of the song. Instead of playing the pickup to the beginning of the song, they put it at the end of the first ending, so that way you know when the first ending goes back to the second note, that's the pickup into the beginning of the song. So you have the pickups C and then D back to the beginning second note of the song. Rest, C, B flat, rest, A, B flat, G for 3 counts. G, A, B flat, rest, C, D, rest, C, skip over to the second ending, we have an F for 4 counts. Rest. Great, we're going to play this to a metronome marking of 80. Try your best to stay along with the beat, and here we go. We will also, before we start playing this, I'm going to count off 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 before we start. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Rest. 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 Great job. I can't wait to hear your recordings.